What's up, guys? Andy Gabs back again for vlog number 13. How are y'all doing today? I am hanging out with my boys. That is Klaus, my Great Dane, and Enzo, my Lab Shepherd Pitbull mix behind me. We've been hanging out all morning, and I'm about to head to Carson, California, which is pretty much LA, to go to a car meet. So I'll bring you guys along for the journey. Thanks for tuning in, by the way. I really appreciate it.
Watch out, object on road ahead.
There's an object on the road. Alrighty, so we made it to the show. Now I just gotta go find Wes. I didn't even tell him that I was coming. So I'm just gonna walk around and look for the sexy Porsche. Look at that thing. Beautiful rose gold Maserati. Here's a Porsche, not the right Porsche. The Rocket Bunny Beamer. Seen that car a few times. Oh, what's up, Dustin? Chilling. I was looking for your dad. I found Wes and Lindsay. I think we're about to go walk around right now, but check out that GTR right there. I'll go do a walk around of it in a minute, but that thing is sexy. Wah, wah, wah.
Catch a right by her door. She give me a Nicky, kick that way through the door.
This is pretty clean right here. So we're pretty much just walking around checking everything out right now. My hand is on fire. I have my hand behind my back, up against my back, so the sunlight doesn't hit it, because when it hits it I feel like my skin is melting off. But Lindsay and Wes brought the pig, so after we walk around and check out these cars, we're gonna go check out the pig too. Alright, so I found the best car here. Best in show, guaranteed. That's what an actual nice Veloster looks like compared to mine. My hand doesn't. I will smack the shit out of you and make you cry in front of your friend. I will do it. Okay, Dustin. Okay. Alright, now let's look at my favorite car, Nissan GTR. There's the piggy. How cute. You're gonna see how small she is.
Hi. What's up? What's up, piggy?
Cardi P, right?
Yeah.
Yep, that's little Cardi P. She's so cute. The man, the myth, the legend. You guys didn't get to see the driver's view yesterday. So there it is. And we got the piggy in the Porsche. The piggy in the Porsche. Yeah, this car is pretty dope. I've gotten to drive it a couple times. I love it. It's so fast. It's insane. We might go to a thing. Oh no, we're not gonna take this. We're gonna take the BMW. Never mind. I was gonna say you guys might get to see it drive around today, but we're gonna be taking their BMW instead of the Porsche. So, oh, you know, piggy love. Tell me that's not the cutest thing you've seen all day. Absolutely amazing. Alright, well I officially have to stay here for the rest of my life because the little pig is asleep. So cute. That's the lovebirds, Wes and Lindsay. Like my aunt and uncle. One thing I don't think I ever showed about Wes's Porsche is the airbag system. So it's literally, right now he doesn't have it super low, but once it's all the way down, it'll literally just sit on the ground. It's hot, hold on. My back hurts. Now we're holding up the line. Damn. Place in the limbo competition goes to these guys. Alright, so we're about to start the two-step competition, which is basically just who can pop their exhaust the loudest. It's literally happening right there. That's the first car in line. So I'm gonna get a couple of these and then I gotta go. So I'm not gonna be able to stay here for the winner of this, but y'all saw the winner of the limbo. This one's gonna be loud. Just like that, I'm home from the Clean Culture Car Show. It was actually really cool. I liked it a lot. Hanging out with Wes and Lindsay is always an awesome time, and Dustin and Dustin's buddy. Wes has known me since I was like 2 years old, I think, or maybe 3. So it's always fun hanging out with them, and the new little pig, which was super cool. Tattoo, still healing. Feeling a little bit better. I cleaned it up a little bit. So I mean, like I said, definitely needs that other session. But I think it still looks really good. Stay tuned though. The next vlog, I am telling you guys something awesome. It's gonna be super cool. I'm actually really excited for it. Birthday present to myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it to help the channel. Like this video, that also helps a ton. Leave me a comment if you would like to. And have a great day. Peace.